Pranam. Anchor, Digital Living, Time Scientist, Professor Ashwini Agarwal. Back to you again after a while because I was out of town for about 2 weeks. Went to Hyderabad and Bangalore to visit few temples. Today the topic is spiritual tourism. And we are always talking of holistic wellness. There is a word called holistic health. Holistic health, we know that, overall, total health of my body, physical body, mental body, spiritual body, energy level, all the 5 parameters. All the parameters of my body should be well functional. All my senses are functional, well, and all of my senses are synchronized, and my functional organs are also working well. Then we call it holistic wellness, holistic health. But when we start talking about holistic wellness, then what comes into mind? Holistic wellness means your mental wealth. I'm not talking about health now. We are talking about wellness. Wellness is directly connected with wealth, not health. Mind the words. Wellness is the word connected with wealth. And holistic wellness means your most important parameter what you have to bother about is career. You're working. And your career depends on your knowledge, which is called knowledge bank, your total knowledge bank. That is your spiritual wealth. Knowledge bank is nothing but your spiritual wealth, and decision making is your mental wealth, and implementing decision is your physical wealth. Only 3 parameters and 3 kind of wealth we have. So when we are talking about holistic wellness, then we have to understand actually that we are talking on 3 levels, and wherein highest priority is career, not health. Health is secondary. Healthy career, perfect career, beautiful career, enjoying career. That is the foundation of holistic wellness. Wealth is the foundation of wellness. And holistic wellness means, I have told you. And spiritual wealth is what? Mainly what we have to understand is, what is spiritual wealth? When we are talking about tourism, then tourism is okay. We are going to places. Tourism includes everything, visiting anywhere and everywhere. But the key is that if you visit places which rejuvenate your energy level, which improves your energy level, the places where you get energy, where your energy gets replenished, those are the places worth visiting. You can visit anywhere, it's not an issue. There are some places which eats away your energy. Then there are some places which are neutral. They don't give you energy, they don't take your energy. Your rest, it's a complete rest to your body. There are places like that. And then the third type of places are where you get energy. Now the problem is that what kind of energy is available and what kind of energy your body needs. Tremendous difference. Suppose you need energy for your physical activity, and the place is giving you energy for your decision making. How will you distinguish? How will you distinguish between the two? That it is giving you the energy with respect to your physical needs, or it is giving you energy with respect to your mental needs, or it is giving you the energy for your spiritual needs. Three type of energies are there. Like in normal use, we call electricity one type of energy, electromagnetic wave another type of energy. There may be a number of energy types defined in science. Mota two, these two, so I know very well. That's electromagnetic wave and electricity. Two. These are the two types of energy everybody knows. Balance, maybe some people, nuclear energy and things like that. Maybe people know, people don't know. But these two definitely everybody knows. मोबाइल जो भी यूज कर रहा है उसको पता है कि वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक एनर्जी. एंड बैटरी or fan which is moving, AC, all these are using electrical energy. Then there is solar energy. Then there is wind energy. So many things are there. I am not talking about that. Because what I am talking about is energies, which places of energy, which gives you energy for your mental thinking, decision making improvement, places which improves your physical ability, and the places which improves your spiritual wealth, which increases your spiritual wellness, spiritual wealth I would say. So physical wealth, spiritual wealth and mental wealth. Three type of wealth are there. So our topic is spiritual tourism. I am not talking about spiritual wellness. You understand? There may be physical wellness, there may be mental wellness, there may be spiritual wellness. But I am not talking about any of these. Please try to understand. I am not talking about any of these. What I am talking is holistic wellness. Wellness in all respect. And for that, the foundation of my holistic wellness is career. Successful career. Disease-free career, failure-free career, healthy career. And mind the words that healthy career depends on your diet. It doesn't depend on your anything else. People talk of education. No, it is not. Education, you can take any education anytime. Acquiring skills, not a problem. You can acquire skills anytime. The key is that it depends on your ahar, food, meals. It depends on your spiritual wealth. Two parameters it is dependent on. What is spiritual wealth? I would like to talk about. Spiritual wealth is nothing but the knowledge about the activity, the career you are going to adopt. Knowledge about the career which you are going to adopt is spiritual wealth. And that helps you making decisions good, favorable decisions to your career. And spiritual wealth is dependent on your learning efficiency, your performing eligibility. Two parameters primarily, eligibility and efficiency. Efficiency may your learning efficiency. You can acquire any kind of skills at any age, provided you have maintained your learning efficiency, that you are able to learn quickly. So whatever skill required for any activity you want to perform, you can learn it fast, quick, efficient. Then your performing eligibility. You will not be able to perform. Even if you have learned, if your performing eligibility is poor, you will not be able to perform. Believe me, facts are. I am talking about facts. Fact is fact without defect. It is not fact check. There is nothing called fact check. They are the facts, hard facts. verifiable by anyone individually, by self, without any external help. You have 5 senses. Female has 6 senses. Male has 5. We have 5 functional organs, male. And female has 6 functional organs. Imagine, female is so powerful a character. There is no way she can suffer. There is no way crime can take place against her. No way. Provided she is careful about her maintenance of her E square quotient we call it. Learning efficiency into performing eligibility. These 2 parameters, very important. And today is the date. Today is the date of starting this program on spiritual tourism, because I have just traveled through from places which gives you energy to improve your career. Technologies. They display technologies. Those temples were displaying technologies. I am a technologist primarily, so I was looking for places which can show me some wonderful technologies. And believe me, the places which I have visited are actually showing technologies. If you can understand, each stone is conveying a technology. Each stone, the placement of the stone, the way it has been carved, what is carved on that, everything put together is displaying the marvelous of technology. Technology marvels. South is full of technology marvels. Full, absolutely full. You know, there is one sect called Jainism. They were so wonderful technologists, displayers. They were so beautifully they used to display technologies. They had procedures, processes learned, and they were able to fabricate the technologies on the stone. I was surprised to see the carvings, to see the placement of the carved figures, everything. I went to Airavateshwar temple. It is a archaeological site. Airavateshwar temple in Kumbhakonam, a place where Brahmaji keeps the kumbh containing 84 lakh seeds when Mahapralaya takes place. Actually, what happens is, in this particular Mahayuga I am talking, in this particular Mahayuga when it started, so it is normally considered that Mahapralaya takes place. Mahapralaya means the entire earth is covered with water and almost 100 meters of water is there. Surface of each, there is nothing called earth. Everywhere it is water, 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 water. So Brahmaji keeps the 84 lakh seeds in one kumbh, one you can say container. The container is called kumbh. And that place is called Kumbhakonam. Why Konam? Because that cone, that corner where that kumbh was visible in the current Mahayug when it started. Abhi Kalyug chal raha hai. Kalyug is 4,32,000 years. Then usse pehle tha Dwapar Yug, 8 lakh something. I mean, you can calculate. You can find this in internet. Then Dwapar Yug. Dwapar was 8 lakh some years, and then Treta Yug, 13 lakh years. And then Satyug, 16 lakh years. So total Mahayug is 43 lakh years. So you can imagine that अभी 2 लाख साल बचे हैं, 2-2.5 लाख साल बचे हैं, 2,40,000 years are saved. Though around that time is still left in Kali Yuga. So imagine that I am talking about almost 40 lakh years back, more than 40 lakh years back, that Kumbh was visible there, and Shiva, using his Dhanush, bow and arrow, he breaks the starting of the Satyug is by breaking that Kumbh, and 84 lakh seeds spread, and the water starts receding. पानी कम होना शुरू हो जाता है उससे. जब शिव अपना उसको धनुष से उस कुंभ को तोड़ते हैं तो वाटर स्टार्ट्स रिसीडिंग, and 84 lakh seeds come on earth. Then they start getting cultivated, and cultivation is done by Kali, Mata, Mahakali. Earth is representative. Earth is Earth is nothing but Mata. Earth is called Mother. Earth is called Mother. And that is one roop of Mahakali. Earth. So then the cultivation takes place. जंगल कोई लगाता नहीं है, जंगल अपने आप लगे होते हैं. You know it, everybody knows it. और समुद्र के अंदर भी जंगल मिलते हैं, ये भी सबको पता है. मेरीन लाइफ में देयर आर पहाड़, देयर आर rocks, pahad, the mountains, everything is there in the water. And when water recedes, Himalaya became visible. So this is what all this I saw in the Kumbh Konam when I visited. It is about, I think 700 kilometers away from Bangalore in Tamil Nadu. Kumbh Konam is in Tamil Nadu. Actually, I couldn't take any picture of that because taking pictures are prohibited there. So those technologies are not visible. And I am sure whatever scientific community, why scientific community do research, they only research. They go to these kind of places and they look for the some pictures and they try to decode that. Science is systematic study of existing structure, and then they create something for the utility of the human race or anyone for that matter. So science is systematic study of the culture. कल्चर क्या होता है पता है आपको? अगर आप किसी मेडिकल साइंस के पैथोलॉजी लैब में जाकर पूछेंगे व्हाट इज कल्चर, तो देन दे विल टेल यू कल्चर इज ए प्रोसीजर वेयर वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द डेप्थ दैट विच मेडिसिन विल सूट, विच सॉल्ट विल सूट टू दिस प्रॉब्लम विच द पर्सन इज फेसिंग. वो अगर कल्चर करते हैं तो कल्चर में they analyze the sample to an extent that they are able to locate के कौन सी मेडिसिन इसको सूट करेगी. कल्चर इज नॉट व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग कल्चर, कपड़े कौन से पहन लिए और क्या पहन लिया, दैट इज नॉट कल्चर. कल्चर, इफ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डज कल्चर मीन, तो गो एंड आस्क एनी पैथोलॉजी लैब, दैट पर्सन विल टेल यू व्हाट इज कल्चर. So don't remain confused. When I am talking technology and I am talking of culture, culture is actually study of the technology. Science क्या है? साइंस इज सिस्टमैटिक स्टडी। और मेडिकल साइंस में क्या करते हैं? सिस्टमैटिकली पहला फर्स्ट टेस्ट करते हैं, विच इज जस्ट टेलिंग यू दी just 1 second, please hold. Sorry, just 1 second, I am coming. Sorry, I'm sorry. There was a call of my wife, so I can't avoid it. Mind it. Okay, fine. So I was talking about culture. So try to understand. Culture means detailed study. Culture means detailed study. This archaeological survey of India, if you go, they do culture of the site. That is why they have such a fine tools. Because when we are talking of detailed study, then everything has to be taken care of. Your tools, they should not disturb the structure of the existing system. Detailed study. Culture means detailed study. So spiritual tourism is something which actually shows you technologies. But mind it, open your technology side of the brain. Unless you open that, you will not be able to understand what I am talking. So first thing is that you have to acquire eligibility. And that eligibility can be acquired by joining or migrating to digital living. Mind the words, that digital living is a new civilization. Asho civilization. It's a new civilization getting cultivated. 18 years have already gone. The 18th year is going on. In fact, only 1 month is left. 2006 it started. 30th March 2006 was the first day of Asho civilization, where we started talking about digital living. And digital living procedures, migrating to digital living is now possible. Try to understand and open your that brain, that part of the brain which understands technology. It should understand the culture procedures of the culture. Culture is not veshbhusha, it is not dress up. No. Culture is detailed study of the subject. So this was the very, very important message I had to give, because I have come back only yesterday evening. I was actually anxious to give it yesterday itself, but then I was very tired because I have walked a lot. I have walked a lot, almost 8 to 10 kilometers daily. I had to walk. So I was tired. So I slept, and today, now only I have opened my eyes. I took bath and decided to convey this message today. So spiritual tourism is very, very important for your holistic wellness. You understand what I am saying? Spiritual tourism is important for your holistic wellness. And spiritual tourism is nothing but doing culture of existing technologies. Detailed study. What this architectural surveyors are doing. And you know, they have done so wonderful work. They have done lot of work. You just have to go and understand. All the activity they have already done. You don't have to do that activity what ASI has already done. Just visit that place. But again, mind it, your E square eligibility factor is very, very important. Your learning efficiency should be good. And performing eligibility should be good. These are the two parameters which you have to worry about. Once your E square quotient starts improving, then you have the life. Make living worth on planet Earth in this human birth, leftover birth. Go for spiritual tourism. Enjoy the life. Learn to enjoy life. Learn to understand technologies which can give you thorough enjoyment of life without any hassle. Failure free career. 100% possible. अभी भी मेरी आंखों में शायद टायर्डनेस दिख रही हो थोड़ी सी, ठीक है, बट डजंट मैटर. टाइम इज इंपॉर्टेंट. मुहूर्त इज इंपॉर्टेंट. I don't normally, I try not to miss any muhurat. And today this muhurat was actually very good, very good. Because so many things have happened in past 15 days. So beautiful activities taken place on planet Earth. Positive attitude. There are so many things going on. All negativity is dying. All negativity is now on the path of death. Because Kalyug ka golden period has already started, and that has started eliminating the negativity on planet Earth. And spiritual tourism gives you positivity. It induces positivity into you. It removes your negative factors. It eliminates your negative energy from your body. But lot of efforts are required. Lots of because baking technology, you can understand that developing technology is the most difficult task. And our farmers, not all of them, but many of them, they develop technology so beautifully. Jugaad technology is the father of science. Not mother. Father of science is Jugaad technology. So आज के लिए मेरा इतना ही मैसेज था. टाइम हो गया है और मैसेज भी एक्चुअली पूरा हो गया है. तो मैं एक यहाँ पर वो सुनाऊंगा आपको, एक छोटा सा मंत्र कह लो या पोएम कह लो, भजन कह लो, जो मर्जी कह लो आप. अहम सत्यम जगत सत्यम, अहम सत्यम जगत सत्यम, अहम शिवम शवम, पंच तत्व सत्यम, पंचारक सत्यम, योग व योगा सत्यम, कृष्णांश ही आत्मा सत्यम, सत्यम शिवम शवम. एक ओम क्लीम चंद्राय सूर्याय गणेशाय हनुमंताय स्वाहा. ये एक बहुत ही शानदार 2 लाइनर है, 2 लाइनर है, जिसको करो अगर आप, एक विधि है इसकी करने की, अगर उस विधि से आप करते हैं, इसको सीखना पड़ेगा. सी एलिजिबिलिटी इज द क्राइटेरिया. Eligibility and performing eligibility and learning efficiency is the fundamental criteria. So you have to learn exactly what has to be like. जैसे कुछ उसमें जो पूजा प्रोसीजर्स है, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि वो प्रोसीजर्स पूरे 100% फॉलो करते हैं, और जो भी फॉलो करते हैं उनको रिजल्ट मिलते ही है. सिर्फ फर्क क्या है, डायरेक्शन ठीक होनी चाहिए. पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन, नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन, देयर आर 10 डायरेक्शंस. सो जो जिस डायरेक्शन में आप काम करोगे उसी डायरेक्शन के रिजल्ट आपको मिलेंगे. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. जय कृष्णांश. जय जय कृष्णांश.